although it's still beautiful on the inside, the display, the presentation is definitely lacking. And this is a way better and more practical presentations. You really want to present your items in the best way possible. Okay, judge away. It is what it is. 9 times out of 10, I go through all of the work of creating something beautiful like the bath bomb cupcakes, and then I hand it out like this, which I told myself I was going to get better at. So I thought today I would make a video showing you how to package and how to shrink wrap your cupcake bath bombs, because giving someone this is a whole lot nicer than giving someone one that looks like this, all wrapped up in saran wrap. It just looks so much more pretty, more beautiful. You're gonna need your shrink wrap film. You're gonna need the impulse sealer, which is this. You push it down and it seals the edge of the shrink wrap. And then you're gonna need a heat gun, which is gonna go ahead and it's gonna seal around the cupcake bath bomb. Let me just dive right in and show you. The shrink wrap itself has one end that you can open, and then let me do it like this so you can see. This side is permanently sealed and this side is sealed with the shrink wrapper. It's really easy to want to try to squeeze 2 in here. That's not going to happen. This is an 8-inch film and 2 are not going to fit. So you can really only fit 1 bath bomb in at a time. So just take your bath bomb. Now you want to get this as close to here as possible, right? So I'm holding the bath bomb up with this hand. So we're right on the edge. So now what you want to do is you kind of want to grab it so there's not a bunch of air in there. So what I do is, if you can see the way that I grab it, like right here, and right here, you kind of get some of the air out. The reason why we want to get the air out is if this was full of air, the only way that the air is getting out of here when you shrink wrap it is to pop a hole in it, which kind of defeats the purpose of shrink wrapping it. So as you can see, there's not a bunch of air in there, so we'll be able to shrink wrap it without popping a hole. Now to shrink wrap it, what I actually do is I will take the bath bomb. I'm gonna hold this a ways away, and you have a high and you have a low setting. You're gonna go on the low setting and you're gonna lightly hit it. And I'm gonna turn it as I go. So I'm just putting as little bit of heat on there as possible. We're not trying to melt anything. We're not trying to burn the plastic. We're just trying to get this sealed. Now, another thing that I do is as I'm hitting this with the heat gun, you're gonna have these spots like right here that poke out a little bit. You'll notice, like, watch when I turn this back on, I'm gonna hit it with this and I'm gonna lightly tap that in. That's to get it to really seal in so it looks better. When it's sealed to itself, it's gonna look a whole lot better than being pointing out like this. It's just a cleaner, nicer wrapped product. And we're doing this to make it look better. So let me show you. And we wind up with a bath bomb that looks like this. And tell me this is not way better than this. World of difference, just spending a couple of minutes to package it. And this is a way better and more practical presentation. So what I have in here is I have our bath bomb cupcakes, which are shrink wrapped now. And I love these. These are my bubble bath ice cream scoops that are made with a bubble bar. So in here you have the ultimate bath kit. You have on the top of your bath bomb, you have your soap, right? On the bottom you have a bath bomb, And then the little ice cream scoops are bubble baths. So this really would be such an amazing gift to give to somebody. And it really shows how doing a little thing, doing a little bit of packaging and taking a few minutes can really up your presentation when you are making products, be it if the product's for yourself or if you got it for a gift for someone or if you're gonna sell it. It really just makes it look that much nicer.